Hi, we're Supplying Demand, and today we're going to be replacing a few parts on this Frigidaire refrigerator, model FFTR1814TBB. We're going to be replacing the defrost timer and the temperature cold control. These are located in the fridge at the very top of the cabinet. To access this, remove the top rack and the temperature control knob. Using a socket screw, unscrew the 4 screws holding this top panel in place. Gently lower the panel and unplug the wiring harness to fully remove the panel from the fridge. There will be 2 screws on the front to remove to release the defrost timer. Once done, flip the panel over. Remove the defrost timer and unplug the wiring harness. Now, we're going to remove the cold control. Using a flathead screwdriver, disconnect the green, red, and blue wire connectors. Then, release the cold control from the clips. There is a long metal wire extending from the cold control to the very top of the panel that then wraps around it. Follow the wire to the end and carefully remove it from the panel. You will need to remove part of the panel to do so. You will need to slide the plastic cover from this wire to use on the Supplying Demand cold control. Once you have done this, slide the cold control back into place in the clips and reconnect the wires. Feed the long wire through the panel in the exact same way that it was removed. Replace the part of the panel that was removed. Plug the Supplying Demand defrost timer into the wiring harness. On the front of the panel, screw the screws securing the defrost timer back into place. Put the panel back in the fridge and plug the wiring harness back in. Replace the screws and the temperature control knob. Replace the fridge rack and close the door. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.